The bridge pattern separates an abstraction from its implementation, so both can evolve independently. Picture two separate ladders joined by a single connecting span. Imagine a notification system with two independent dimensions. First, urgency, normal and urgent. Second, the delivery channel, email and SMS. Each changes for different reasons. Yet a single inheritance tree forces both ideas to tangle together, mixed into one, growing harder to extend. Imagine a separate class for every pairing of urgency and channel. Normal email, normal SMS, urgent SMS. They pile up dangerously. Now add a new channel, Slack, and the classes multiply again for each urgency level. This is the class explosion. Urgencies times channels, growing endlessly. Here's the key move. Stop merging two axes into one tree. Keep urgency as an abstraction hierarchy and channels as a separate implementation hierarchy. Draw a single bridge connecting them. Now each side grows on its own. This is the implementer side. The message sender interface defines one method, send. Email sender, SMS sender, and Slack sender each realize it. Every channel stands as its own small class. On the abstraction side, notification holds a message sender and exposes notify. Urgent notification refines notify to repeat the message, then delegates delivery through message sender. The highlighted sender can be swapped while the program runs. This is the heart of the bridge pattern. Two separate ladders. The first, notification, refined by urgent notification. The second, message sender, with email sender, SMS sender, and Slack sender. Notification holds a message sender and delegates the sending. Add a channel, you touch only one ladder. Add an urgency, only the other. See the difference? Before, every urgency times every channel spawned a tangled explosion of subclasses. After, a slim notification connects to any message sender you choose. Each new feature adds just one class. Multiplication becomes simple addition. The bridge pattern separates an abstraction from its implementation, connecting them through composition. No class explosion, free mix and match, channels swapped at runtime. Abstraction, bridge, implementer.